Epic Universe is hitting new milestones as the first roller coaster track is already being installed. Plus, more roller coaster track is showing up on site, and nearly all of the new theme park's lands are seeing vertical construction. Let's check in on everything happening at Epic Universe in today's news update. Thanks to new aerial photos from BioReconstruct on Twitter, we are starting to see how each of the rumored lands are taking shape on the ground and how they match the official art released from Universal. Looking at this overlay graphic from Tommy Hawkins, also on Twitter, we can get an idea how each of the lands are separated. Zooming in, details like roller coaster track layouts and building locations start to make some sense with how the land has been shaped and what has started to go up. This overlay was created using multiple site plans and permit details originally submitted up to 2 years ago with Orange County. Despite being filed a while ago, so far nearly all of the work is aligning with these plans. Getting into one of the biggest developments this month, we now have track at Super Nintendo World. These track supports have been installed at the Donkey Kong Minecart roller coaster, and additional track sections can be seen staged nearby. The Donkey Kong Minecart roller coaster was designed to make it appear as though your ride vehicle is jumping over gaps in the track, just like in the video games. To accomplish this, there will actually be a fake track installed above the real track. These sideways track supports here will likely be for the real track, which will be hidden beneath and painted to better blend in with the scenery. The ride is also being built at Universal Studios Japan as an expansion for the first Super Nintendo World. It is set to open in 2024 there, but should open along with the rest of the park when Epic Universe opens by summer 2025. There are plenty of coaster footings installed, so the track pieces are just getting started. This overlay shows the permitted track layout, which is aligning with the installation so far. Zooming out, extensive work on the lower level of Mount Beanpole has been ongoing. You can even spot the entrance to Yoshi's Adventure, a family Omnimover type ride. The round opening in the front will be the ride's entrance. Track for the Yoshi Omnimover ride has been staged on site near the construction area for some time now, but none of the track pieces have been installed just yet. The Mario Kart ride and other Super Nintendo World areas are not nearly as far along at this time. The Donkey Kong attraction is not the only track to show up, as new track for a larger attraction has also been spotted. First found by the coaster crew, the track pieces are located in a staging area across the street from the Epic Universe theme park site. This track may be from Intamin, and if it is, that would mean it's for the How to Train Your Dragon roller coaster. That roller coaster is planned to be built winding around the north side of the land, which will be based on the island of Berk from the popular DreamWorks film series. It will be a launched steel coaster with a thrill level expected to be similar to Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, but just a tad more family friendly. Shipping reports were filed for the delivery of these track pieces on April 30th, with the components being transported from Intamin's headquarters to Miami. The publicly listed bill of lading describes the delivery as a new amusement ride for Project 903, which is a family launch coaster, confirming rumors for what type of coaster it will be. Site plans for this area also show an interactive outdoor boat ride, 2 Skyfly flat rides, a large indoor theater, which permits say will have 985 seats, as well as restaurants and various shops. Work has mainly focused on shaping the land and burying pipes for this area, but the other areas of the park are already seeing rapid vertical construction. One more coaster for Epic Universe has seen work beginning since our last update. The racing Dueling Coaster that branches off from the park's central hub has begun work. This attraction is expected to be manufactured by Mock Rides. In fact, New shipping reports from this month say that amusement ride components are on their way from Mack Rides to Universal Orlando Resort. It's possible this delivery could be the massive Dueling Hub coaster, but it may also be for the family boat ride in the How to Train Your Dragon area, as that is also being manufactured by Mack. Or it could be for a rumored family spinning coaster that we think will be built at the Universal Monsters Land. The Hub roller coaster will be the largest and most thrilling attraction for Epic Universe. With an entry facing the park's central hub, this attraction is not part of one of the 4 lands, but instead is thought to be themed to outer space in some way to go along with the park's overarching theme. In this overlay, we can see how the dueling roller coaster will come all the way up to the park's hub area. The work happening now appears to be for a trench, possibly for a water feature under the start of the ride. Here is how this might appear, modeled based on known plans for the park using Planet Coaster. See the description for a link to the entire POV to see what this ride might be like. Zooming out, we can see work escalating for the rest of the hub. On the left side of this image, the round shape of the hub's massive fountain display is now apparent. To the right of that, a central water feature that will likely have a flat ride, rumored to be a carousel, overlooking the water can be seen. And at the top middle will be the massive dueling roller coaster. Retaining walls have been installed, separating this massive coaster from the rest of the park. Here is a closer view of the large fountain display. This could offer Bellagio-style fountain shows throughout the day and may be featured in a nighttime spectacular as well. Behind the fountain is the area where the in-park hotel will be built. This overlay gives us an idea of the layout of the hotel area, including its attached restaurant, parking garage for guests, and the pool area, which will be located directly behind the Universal Monsters Land. Moving into the Monsters area, which we believe will be modeled after Frankenstein Village, the steel structure that is taking shape will be for the facade and entry area into the land's main attraction. Likely themed to Dr. Frankenstein's manor, this entry will lead to a large ride building similar to the way Hogwarts Castle is built facing guest areas, hiding the large building that contains much of the ride behind it. In the plans for this area, you can see the part of the structure that they are building jutting out from below the large attraction building. This attraction is rumored to use a Kuka ride system similar to Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. The rest of the Monsters area is being shaped as more drainage pipes are installed, and it will contain 2 quick service restaurant locations, shopping, and, as recent rumors suggest, a family roller coaster attraction. This overlay shows the area where the new coaster addition may be located. If rumors turn out to be true, it could be a spinning family coaster, perhaps similar to something like Cobra's Curse at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Rumors have it possibly themed to the Wolfman, but it's still too early to know for sure. Permits for this have been changed in the last year, which indicate that it will no longer be a theater as initially planned, so we will keep an eye on this area as it progresses. Moving across the park, the land we think will be another Wizarding World has been seeing a lot of steel rising. The structure they are building has long been rumored to be a massive recreation of the British Ministry of Magic as seen in the original Harry Potter film series. The first part of the steel rising was for what we believe will be the queue areas for the Ministry of Magic ride. The new steel framing that has started to be added looks to be around the ride's load area. This attraction was originally designed to be trackless, but new rumors suggest that it may be tracked, along with some unique ride system elements instead. See our previous video for more details on how this attraction will be laid out and what the story might be. Behind this area, the walls for a backstage team member support building and offices are starting to be raised. This method of building has the concrete walls poured flat on the ground first, and then once they're set, they are lifted into place to form the walls of a large structure, which is quick and efficient. Before we finish up, it looks like work has finally gotten back around to the flat parking lot for the theme park. This is located to the right of the main theme park area. Roads leading into the parking lot area itself are making good progress, as well as the extended Kirkman Road, which will connect the original Universal Orlando Resort to the new theme park. A big thanks to BioReconstruct for providing everyone with these incredible aerial photographs, and to Tommy Hawkins for the painstakingly accurate plan overlays. You can follow both Bio and Tommy on Twitter for more theme park stuff. That's all for now, but if you'd like to bring a piece of the parks home, SouvenirSense.com has candles and wax melts that smell just like the E.T. ride, butterbeer, Halloween Horror Nights, and more. Save 15% off every order with my promo code PARKSTOP at SouvenirSense.com. Be sure to subscribe for more Epic Universe news and updates, and if you like what we do, consider joining our Patreon for exclusive information and early access. Thanks for watching. See you next time.